Hey guys, welcome to the reading. So we are going to check what's going on between your person and the third party. So this reading is only for those who know there is a third party involved, all right? So we'll check the overall energies with this first. Let's see. Hammer. Okay. There is some sort of a argument, conflict that has probably happened with the hammer is like, breaking down something. Paradise. So the happiness, expansion, the playfulness has been sabotaged because of probably somebody's maybe narcissistic behavior. Maybe the relationship is one-sided. Maybe people are just self-absorbed. Something came out. Okay, something came out. Some clarity happened. Also, it could be some sort of power struggle that is going on between the two of them. This is about somebody is love bombing, okay, kisses. Somebody is love bombing and the other one is not willing to accept it. There are certain triggers and resentment I see here. All right, let's find out. This is your person, this is the third party. Your person's energies towards them. They're feeling stuck. They don't know what to do. They are in this place where they want to move out, but also I think they are playing stalemate. They're not even trying because they have decided that there's no solution to it. You're the third party. Knight of Emotions. So this person is showing some sort of emotions. I think this is the person who's probably love bombing when it comes to overall energy. They are trying to show that this person is very connected. They want to be there. They are constantly trying to make them feel cared for, or how much they care or love this person. All right, so your person, again, they're sitting on the fence. I don't see much action from them. I think they are just observing from distance. They don't see how to move forward in this situation. Third party, Three of Materials. They want to work towards something together. They want to build something. They want some sort of a cooperation here. All right, but your person is not really willing to cooperate here. They are closed off. They're holding on to everything, their emotions, their thoughts. Maybe there is even some distance between the two of them. There's not much communication happening because this person is closed off. They are not willing to cooperate with the third party. Let's see. Five of Materials. Okay, so this person, third party, is feeling somewhere abandoned because this person is closed off. So Five of Pentacles. She is like, if you see this figure, she's lying down on the street, and there is light here, there is opening here, but she is still outside. Like, she doesn't have anywhere to go. So there is this sense of abandonment. Your person is also in Five of Pentacles energies. They are also not willing to connect. Okay, so there is, both of them are in Five of Pentacles energy. So there is some conflict that has happened, which has created this closing down of this communication, the connection. Although the third party definitely wants to fix things, work on things together, but your person is not willing to do that. Five of Voices. Okay, this is like Five of Swords. So there is a lot of overthinking that this person is going through. There are a lot of voices in their head. What about your person? Okay, they're not bothered about what they are doing. They're just going wherever. They're going with the flow. Not willing to invest a lot in this. They're not putting in the energy. Pages are like something small. Five of Inspiration. All right, so this is, again, it's about some sort of conflict is what this is. It's like Five of Wands. There are difference of opinions, and that has caused some sort of a disagreement between the two of them. All right, let's